Okay, let's start building something so you can see the power of Claude Code. What I'll do is that I'll use this tool. I want to build a website for my AI agency that's called Shiney.ai. I want you to add a lot of animations. I want you to build it with Next.js, and I want it to be really modern and really clean and really futuristic with a lot of different animations and good copywriting that is high converting. What this tool does is that this basically takes my voice and then it creates a really good prompt out of it. So when I hit enter now, you can see it took my voice, it created a full prompt that's going to get us a way better output. It says you are a senior full stack web developer with 8 years of expertise in Next.js, modern web design, so it gives it the role. It also gives out the exact instructions to what I wanted to say, and then it explains how to format its response, and then it says please take your time with this, thank you for your help. Now it's going to start building out this project for us. Claude Code is now asking if it should build out mockups for us. We don't want that, so for now I'm just going to say no, just build it out for us please, thank you. And there we go. Now Claude Code will build out this entire website for us. Sometimes it will request approvals like this, like if it can run this command. So what we'll do is that we'll use our arrow keys, go down to yes and don't ask again, and then hit enter, and then hit enter, because Claude Code needs to install all of the things that it needs. Same for this command. So I'm just going to accept these things that it asks for, and then I'm going to let it build out this website. And this is probably going to take around 5 minutes. There we go. This took about 5 minutes, and now it says it is ready. To run it, it says npm run dev, and then open localhost. What does that mean? Well, let me show you. You, in a new terminal, click this little plus, and that's usually how you run whatever it is that you have built. You have some command that basically runs the project, and for now it's npm run dev. So I'm going to paste that in from Claude's instruction, hit enter, and now you can see starting up our website on localhost 3000. So what I'll do now is that I'll copy this little URL right here, right in localhost 3000, copy that in, hit enter, and now it's going to show our website. Just like that. We build AI systems that actually ship. AI moves the needle. Look at this cool website that we just built in 5 minutes. I hope you see the power of what Claude Code can build in a very short amount of time. And think about the possibilities. You can go out and sell websites, apps, automations, automate entire systems with Claude Code and sell that to business owners. If you want the quickest way to learn how to do that and go out and do it, then you should definitely check out our community, the 1% in AI. Inside of here, we are right now running the 30-day challenge, where you get this sheet. And when you fill out this sheet and get to 100%, then see what it says right here. Complete the 30-day challenge and get a full refund. If you want to check that out, I'll left the link right below this video. The next thing I want to show you is if you write clear now, and then you write exactly this in it, then hit enter, what this will do is that this will initialize a new, what is called a claude.md file. So hit enter right here. And what this will do is that this will force Claude to read through our project now, because we've now built a project, and create what is called a claude.md file. And a claude.md file is basically instructions specifically for Claude in this project for how to behave, that it reads every single time it starts a new session. And there we go. Now we have created a claude.md file. We can find this in our project directory that is called claude.md. This file right here is basically just a text file that includes instructions, but this will be read every single time Claude starts a new session, which gives it context. So what you can do inside of this file is that you can add a rule section, and then you can write never update any code without first asking me 3 clarifying questions about what it is that we are updating. So you can basically give Claude Code specific instructions for how to behave every single session. If I write clear now, and I then say, please change the color to a light green on my website, and hit enter, now you can see it says, before I make any changes, I need to ask 3 clarifying questions as per the project rules. So now we can answer these 3 questions. Yes, what you prefer. Yes. And by knowing how to use the claude.md file, you can give specific rules for how it should behave every single time. And that is one of the most powerful things with Claude Code compared to Claude in your browser, you can design it to respond exactly like you want to by creating and updating this claude.md file. And now if we go back to our website, you can see now our website is green instead.